In today's video, we'll discuss how to secure your KuCoin account and protect your assets from unauthorized access. Let's dive right in. The first step to securing your account is to enable two-factor authentication. Go to Account Security in your profile settings and set up 2FA using Google Authenticator or Authy. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a verification code in addition to your password. KuCoin offers an anti-phishing code feature that adds a custom code to all legitimate emails from KuCoin. This helps you distinguish genuine emails from phishing attempts. You can set this up in the Account Security section. To prevent unauthorized withdrawals, enable withdrawal whitelisting. This feature restricts withdrawals to a pre-approved list of wallet addresses, adding another layer of security. KuCoin provides tools to monitor your account activity. Check the login records and transaction history regularly to spot any suspicious activity early. If you notice anything unusual, change your password immediately and contact KuCoin support. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.